So we're going right now to get a MagicBand, and they have some selection right now actually of the MagicBand, so we'll see which one we have it. So the MagicBand sell on several locations you can actually find, but I think the Emporium have the largest selection of them. Right here, all of those different. This one kind of look cool. Disney, Mickey, all the different selections. Ooh, Star Wars.
Do or do not, there is no try.
Oh, they have the Loki, Avengers, Iron Man, comics.
I think I might like this one.
Okay, you
But
can ask.
there's that one. They need to let it out for us, yeah?
Yep. I said the price is right there.
Still trying to decide. I think I'll go for this one though.
Just this one?
Yeah. So I got my MagicBand. Since
Because
it's
we are.
in Galaxy's Edge. We have a way to open it up here. Show you how this works. So you open it up on top. Pull it out. Okay, I've pulled it out. On the back, you see this. Keep it. This is the charger that you're going to need. I'm just pulling it off, so they make it easy, I guess. I thought it would be tricky. There we go. I don't want to lose this, so I'm taking it off. Here. Trickier. Just yank, it's paper. There we go. Just for the future, you have these two little tabs there. You see the connectors. You'll put it on there, plug it in, and it's charging up.
And you can order separately this. I know the sale is as additional.
Now, once you get the box open and get your MagicBand Plus out, you are going to want to pair it to your phone, and you need the app for this. Just a minute. And up on the top right, I have in my tickets and my passes, I have MagicBand Plus. I press right on it. It tells me I already have a light pink band, which I do. It's in my backpack, but I am going to do this new one. So, up in the upper right-hand corner of MagicBand Plus is another little plus icon. Click on it. Open the scanner to link. Hold the center icon of in the upper section at the back of my phone to link. It's telling me exactly where to put it. Oh, it caught that very fast. And so I'm going to have it linked to my account. It's an NFC tag that just popped up. It has now assigned this to me. It's connected to my, assigned ticket or Magic Key Pass. I could assign it actually as a pass for Sweethearts Night, but I'm going to connect it to my Believe Key Pass. So that means that if you have a child and you want to give them a MagicBand Plus, help them get in like for Lightning Lane, all that kind of a thing, you will be able to connect it to your child. You'll have all your different passes on here. I have Vladimir's pass on here. So you'll be able to do it through your phone in this app and connect it to that.
I think they improved technology.
Yeah, I think they have improved the technology. Here you see my problem. Look at my wrist. I have a child-sized wrist. So if I put it on here, I would go like this and clear like this. And I don't know, see, this is not gonna work. So for smaller wrists, you want to take this off. So I'm going to have to do that. And just kind of pulls off. There we go. I've just got it started there. Now it's off. Star Wars. That's sad I had to take that part off, but I know it's Star Wars. Do or do not. There is no try. And on my hand it goes. Connect the little, that first one's a little bit tough. And I have my magic band.
Come up some questions about this. One, does it track you? How much it's tracking you in the park? Does this spy for you? Or when you're getting home, can they know your location? Because, you know, we have air tags, and air tag allowed to track around. The question was, does this work like air tag? And answer is no. What technology it's utilized inside? It is work as RF tag. It means does not require any power or anything. Like, you know, on your credit card, that small chip, when you touch, it's a scan information and put it. So the credit card is very safe technology. It requires very direct contact to actually read it. Second, it's using Bluetooth technology. Problem with Bluetooth technology, it requires relatively close range to work with this. And you can verify that it's covered Bluetooth because when you're going, oh, you have a Chewbacca. Yes. Sneaking Chewbacca. Hey, what do you call it? Rug? Take this rug.
Bye, Chewbacca.
The other ones is utilized only Bluetooth, and Bluetooth technology is very short range radio waves, same what you have it for your headphones. And maybe sometimes if you use headphones or other things, you notice you put your cell phone, you work a little bit away and connections start breaking up. So because it's a very limited technology, so this is what utilized. Bluetooth technology is necessary when you're inside the park and you want to interact maybe with some specific elements, or you want to receive the coloring or some other. This is what Bluetooth technology work for. The RF, it's necessary if you run out of the power on your watch. You can still work with them because you don't require actually power on your band to read in many, like pre-entrance to the park, or if you go to Fast Pass, Genie Plus, you don't require power. You can just read directly from this. So if for some reason you want to have them, but you still be acting suspicious, you don't just need a charge. You can let them run out of power and you can still use it. And one more interesting thing about this, if you don't like this band or you want to use something other ones, actually right here, you can see that you can remove it and place where you want it. So you're not required to use it on your wrist, which is kind of nice. Because I saw some people use it as a jewelry or other elements, so you can use it this way.
Now that we've unpacked it, I think we're going to recycle that, right?
Yeah, it's that way. It's all paper, very easy to recycle.
Yep.
There you go.
And now I'm pairing it to my phone with Bluetooth, and that's how I'm going to be able to do some of the cool things that you can do with this. You have to make sure it's charged, and then I press this button here. So it's on. Once powered on, hold button down for 3 seconds. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and release. And now it's pairing. There you go. An update is available for your band. That might be, so I need to charge it to update it. It needs to be half full. I'm going to actually go ahead and put my MagicBand on its charger, and then after that, I'm going to download and install. We have been charging up this. We are in the Galactic Grill right now. We've been charging up this because I need to update it. I'm going to click, it's paired here. I'm going to click on the update and download and install. It will let me do it now because it's charged up now. I thought that it wasn't charged up because it was flashing on half of it, but when I took it off, it quickly flashed green, the whole band, or this little light thing. See, look, it's lighting up while it's doing this. It can take a few minutes. It includes bug fixes and overall performance improvements. How do we green? Good, I'm glad I wanted it for tonight.
And blue now. There you go.
All the way done.
It's take a long time, but with the band, you see, you just scan MagicBand. Thank you. There you go. And done deal. This is another good benefits of the Have It Magic Band.
You just have the photographer tap his device to your Magic Band and bam, it's in your account. Using it with Lightning Lane to tap in makes it so you don't even have to get your phone out for that, which frees up your hands. A few other fun things that the Magic Band does is that surprise triggers from different installations that might be in the park. Large area entertainment such as fireworks or projections, the Magic Band will interact with that too. To play the game in Galaxy's Edge, the Bounty Hunter game. That was a lot of fun and a really great way to use this fight.
Does it worth it? Well, you decide for yourself. For us, I think it does worth it.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like and subscribe for more videos.